Hello everyone, this is Liam from LTMG. Today I want to show you our hot sale excavator. Let's go.
Hi guys, let me show you how to control our excavator. First, we start the excavator. Then we put down the safety device. Using the push rod or push pedal to make the excavator to move forward or backward. Push the left joystick to control the stick lift or lower. And the right joystick is to control the boom. Pull lift and pull down. Move inward and outward to control the bucket open and close. Push the left joystick inward or outward to control the cab rotate.